So friends, firstly I want to apologize to all my subscribers and my viewers that I haven't uploaded a video from last 2 weeks, but from this week our regular videos are going to get uploaded. So please subscribe to Tech with AJT and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. So now moving on to the review. In this video we are going to unbox and review the Zinc Echo wireless Bluetooth speaker. So let's move in. Hi friends, this is the box of the Zinc Echo. So first we'll see what's written on the box, then we'll move inside the box. As you can see, first you can see over here in red colors it is written 18-watt surround sound speaker, Bluetooth support, USB support, rechargeable battery, FM radio, TF card and hands-free mic. And you can see over here 1 year of warranty provided with this speaker. And on this side of the speaker you can see same thing is written over here also. And on the other side also, as you can see, the same things is written: dual passive radiator, super bass, wireless standards 4.2 and some more information which I'm going to explain in the video. So as you can see over here also the same thing is given. So let's cut open the seal and look at the speaker. So this is the seal. And this is not a portable speaker, this is quite a big speaker. So first you can see a packet of accessories. You just get your charging cable, traditional charging cable over here, and this is the speaker directly. So let's remove the speaker out of the box. So this is the speaker. Let's keep the speaker aside. Look what's inside the box. As you can see, you get your manual over here, a simple manual, single sheet, and nothing else. Accessory wise, as I've shown, you get your traditional charging cable over here. Now let's clean everything up and look at the speaker. Zinc Echo out of the box, and first we are going to talk about is the build quality and design of this speaker. Build quality wise, this speaker is quite well made. The whole shell is made out of plastic, but the problem with the build quality is the panel gaps. There are inconsistent panel gaps over here and there. As you can see, the edges are having some inconsistent panel gaps, and I have noticed on the bottom also the panel gaps are quite big, but they are ignorable. They don't have any kind of vibrations or any kind of rattling inside the shell, considering that there are panel gaps in this speaker. And this is the only flaw with the build quality. Other than that, the build quality is superb in my opinion, and the design is just fabulous. This is one of the stylish looking speakers I have ever unboxed on this channel. Everything on this speaker is properly well curved or well thought, because as you can see in the front, the grill is so well made, and I have never seen this kind of a grill. This grill, the design of this grill is so great. It's properly curved inside that housing, properly tucked in the housing. I love the way it looks. It looks quite futuristic, revolutionary speaker. I will say that. You cannot see the bass radiators from this side also. You just have to turn the speaker and see the bass radiators are over here. So that's a great thing. I love the design, and this speaker is just a head turner in my opinion. I have been taking this speaker to some parties, and the people are asking about the price, where have you bought the speaker, and if you are uploading the review or not. And this is just a head turner in my opinion. It's just so beautiful, stylish looking speaker. Design wise, Zinc has just nailed it. I love the way this speaker looks, and as you can see on the top, these button layout are my favorite, because if you're talking to someone in the party and you want to change the music or change the volume, you know that this is the plus button, minus button, because they are perfectly shaped like that. So your finger knows that this is the plus and minus button. You don't have to take a look at the speaker and change the music or change the volume. So that's a great thing. The buttons are properly well built, they don't have any kind of rattling or vibration inside that shell. And features wise also, Zinc is having a back over here. They are providing you with wide connectivity options. You have a USB slot also over here, you get a SD card slot, you get a aux input, you get a on off button, you get a LED indicator for the battery, you get a charging port over here. And the battery is about 4400 mAh, which is a very big thing, because considering that this is just a 18 watt speaker, that's a great thing. The charging time is about 2 to 3 hours, but the play time is whopping 7 to 8 hours, and that's a great thing. You get a LED indicator in the front, and you get two speakers in the front. Both one is 9 watt, another is 9 watt. It makes a total of 18 watt. So that's a great thing. You can pick up calls from this speaker. You have FM radio also. If you are that kind of person who likes to listen radio every morning, you want to listen your old music, then you can just go and listen from the FM radio. The disadvantage of this speaker, it's not a deal breaker, but I will say one thing: it doesn't have any kind of voice prompt. When you just turn on the speaker, you have that tone, just a notification tone. You have to believe on that, in which mode you are in, like in FM or in Bluetooth mode. It doesn't have a voice prompt. Like at this price range, you get a speaker with voice prompt. Some speakers are having voice prompt, this speaker doesn't have it. So it isn't a deal breaker, but it is not there. So now we'll move to the sound test of this speaker. So friends, I've connected the Zinc Echo to my Nexus 6P, and the name of the song is Yala, and the volume from my device is full, as you can see. So now I'm going to play the song, and this is a 18 watt speaker. So now I'm going to play the song.
Yala, roller girl slow, you're like a polo.
Full.
Like you're going up a yo-yo. Roller girl slow, you're like a polo. I'm an pole like you're going up a yo-yo. Alarms go off when I enter the building. Yellow. Alarms go off when I enter the building.
As you have heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound of the speaker is just mind-blowing in my opinion. It sounds so loud, and the bass is so perfectly tuned. I love the way this speaker sound. It's so superbly loud. Just ignore the build quality, ignore that panel gaps. The primary thing, the sound of the speaker is so good. You will just love this speaker for the sound, not for the revolutionary design or the build quality, but the sound is so crisp, clear, doesn't have any kind of distortion. 18 watts, very loud. It's very loud, I'm telling you. For a 18 watt speaker, it's very loud. And the bass is also superb. It's thumping. You don't have any distortion while the bass is hitting hard on the vocals, and the bass radiators look so dope when the bass is hitting hard. I love the bass radiators on these kind of speakers. That's why I buy these speakers, so because they look so dope while the bass radiators are banging hard. The build quality is good on this speaker, just the panel gaps, but they can be ignored in my opinion when it is compared to the sound of this speaker. The design is so stylish, revolutionary, modern design speaker. You get this great ambient light in the bottom, which looks so good, perfectly fitted, perfectly lit in the front. You get wide connectivity options. You get a great battery in this speaker. You get all this stuff in a great price bracket. Under 2500 rupees you get all this stuff. If you want to take a look at the price, or if you want to buy the speaker, the links are in the description. And friends, please go and buy the speaker from the links in the description, because it helps the channel. And friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Zinc Echo Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching, friends.